Hello, Otua Champonsa Kodie Kwesi Charles is my name, but I prefer you call me Kwesi, or most of my friends call me the Ashanti man. You know, I'm the artist who made this beautiful artwork. I will take this advantage to explain the meaning of this artwork for you. You know, the three gentlemen you see holding a horn, we call them, the meaning of this artwork is called the horn blowers. You see these three men holding a horn. When you go to the Ashanti kingdom, you will see the three people, or more than three, and they blow the horn. This signifies the meaning of power. It also talks about loyalty. When you see them in front of the king and you see them blowing a horn, it sends a signal to someone who is far away, and the signal meaning is that the king is coming out. It tells the people that the kings want to come out. So if anybody is far away and you hear the horn blowing, it tells the person the king is coming out. So, as an African artist, I would like to use such things which tells, more about our culture and to inspire people to like my artwork. So that's the reason why, I use these things in my artwork. Thank you.